resign. And it's the fact that they finally stood up to the president and drew a line that stopped the president from taking that extraordinary action. So I think the president in his head believed he was entitled, perhaps, but it was a completely baseless belief. He was not entitled to attempt to overturn those results. And I think what he did in the Justice Department confirms what he was trying to do with Mike Pence, which was to get him to act against the Constitution and the law to force a different result than what the people had expressed.
All right, Lawrence Lessig, thank you.
Thank you.
Coming up, the vaccine shortage across the country.
They're not getting the doses in the time that we need them to distribute them. So that means we're still in this pandemic.
Several states have run out of supplies, others struggle to distribute them, so it needs to change. And massive demonstrations break out in dozens of Russian cities. Police respond by arresting thousands of opposition supporters. This is CBS News.
You have Cox Home Life, so you could see why your dog is barking. You're thinking about how little he was when you first talked to him, and how proud you are to finally hear him say, check. Is barking. Well, maybe just a little. Cox Home Life will help take care of the rest.
It's time to get back to it. Back to doing what we do. What we've always done. It just feels right. This is what we've been waiting for. This is our chance to get back out there again. Because there's work to be done. Start the new year off right. Bonus cash on the 2020 Ram 3500.
Luna. You're sleeping, Luna? Huh? What happened to you? What happened to your tail? What happened? What happened here? What happened to your curl? Huh? You lost it. Where you go? What happened to you? You were snoring. Are you falling asleep? Luna's tired. Are you tired, Luna? Yeah? Puppy?
Well,
Look at her tail, huh? Curl up.
I want to see what the balloon looks like.
No, you keep me down in the middle. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Yes. Bye-bye.